Minister Punjab Sardar Usman Buzdar Wednesday presided over a meeting about the solution of Lahore's problems at his office, in which different departments apprised about the steps taken for the solution of problems during the month. Parliamentarians also put forth their suggestions for the solution to the city's problems. Addressing the meeting, Chief Minister said that a strategy has been evolved to solve the problems of the provincial metropolis through mutual consultation. The role of the parliamentarians and PTI office bearers would be pivotal in this regard. He said the elected representatives of the PTI and its office bearers will be given ownership and every possible effort will be made to resolve the problems of the city dwellers. Lip service and presentation style will not work now and practical performance has been delivered, he emphasized. Buzdar said action will be taken against those who will not perform. He asserted that he will personally monitor the progress made on targets every month. He announced that mega projects will also be launched for Lahore City. He directed the police and administration to resolve daily issues on a priority basis. The CM expressed displeasure over poor cleanliness situation of the city and made it clear that Lahore Waste Management Company will have to improve its performance. The cleanliness system will have to be rectified permanently. The officials of Lahore Metropolitan Corporation should improve their performance as a lot of complaints are related to it. Similarly, he said elected representatives should personally monitor public problems in the field and apprise the CM office about it. Usman Buzdar further directed to constitute a committee for permanent monitoring of the solution of public problems. He directed that given tasks must be fulfilled. No lame excuse will be accepted, the CM warned. The restoration of streetlights should be completed at the earliest and practical steps be made to overcome the menace of encroachments, the Chief Minister concluded. Provincial Ministers Abdul Aleem Khan, Mia Mahmood Rashid, Dr. Yasmin Rashid, Mia Aslam Iqbal, Murad Ras, Malik Karamat Khokhar, Nadeem Bara, Malik Sarfraz, President PTI Central Punjab, Ijaz Chaudhary, IG Punjab, Commissioner Lahore, Chairperson Child Protection and Welfare Bureau, CCPO Lahore, DIG Operations Lahore, DG PHA, DG LDA, MD Punjab Safe City Authority, Chief Traffic Officer Lahore and others attended the meeting.